Bimpe ọmọ bàbá ọba ni. Ọmọ ọba lèmi náà ní ìfẹ́ sọ pé ọ̀nàjà, but whichever way that comes. But let me tell you something. Ṣé Johnny target into it? Together forever, the major.
Ade, you are my best friend. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, play with you, pray with you, and grow with you. I'll love you when we're together and when we're apart. I promise to support your dreams and respect our differences. I'll love you all days and all nights of our lives. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for always putting me first. I love you and will always do.
It's a happy day. I'm glad I'm a happy man doing this with the best woman in the world. I'm doing this with my best friend. I'm doing this with my partner in crime and partner in success. Bimpe ọmọ bàbá ọba ni. I just want you to know that I will love you. I will adore you. I will cherish you today till forever. Till I'm gonna breathe my last breath, I promise to take good care of you, to respect you, to make you my first priority. Before you look back, you will find me. And when you're about to set your eyes to look forward, you'll see me right there with you forever. I love you. And I mean every word of it. With God, this is possible. This is a blessing. This is grace.
K Lala Music.